You know the feeling. Generate a clip, 8 seconds. Generate another 8 seconds. So you stitch them together. By clip 15, your character's wearing a different shirt, the lighting's from a different planet, and the whole thing screams made by 3 tools on 3 different days. Because it was. Long AI video has a bad reputation, which is deserved. Every tool hands you scraps and just walks away. Today, that ends. I'm showing you exactly how I build long AI video in VEED. Start to finish, post-ready. No app hopping, no manually gluing 40 clips together. Before I show you the workflow though, here's the 3 reasons your last attempt failed. VEED fixes all 3 of these. 1. Clip length. Most generators cap you at 8 to 15 seconds. Great for a meme, useless for a minute-long video. 2. Character drift. Same person, slightly different prompt, comes back looking like a stranger. And 3. Zero editing layer. You generate in one place and finish somewhere else, and that's exactly where the quality dies. VEED kills all 3 of these. Not by dodging them, but by building the fix straight into the workflow. Let's dive into it. First off, I don't start with a prompt. I start with a script. A prompt gets you one decent clip. A script gets you a world that holds together. Each section becomes a scene. I put a prompt in the description to help you outline your idea as detailed as possible. So you set your style and character once, VEED runs the sequence for you. No re-prompting every single shot. What you're about to see is my first generation, not the cleaned up version. Watch this like a creator, not a tech reviewer.
Finding the right components shouldn't feel like a scavenger hunt. I've built a massive searchable library of every industrial spec you'll ever need. Let's get into it.
Scenes 1 and 2, locked in. Same character, same world, same lighting. Scene 3, some minor hiccups, that happens sometimes, but more importantly, it's fixable. I'll show you that in a second. Notice how throughout the whole video the structure holds. The story doesn't fall apart. Compare that to stitching 30 different 8-second clips and praying that they match. This is a different starting line entirely. We're not done yet, but we're so close after just one iteration. And the best thing is, all that is left to fix can be done inside VEED. For example, that glitch from earlier, I just regenerated that one clip. Same character, same style, just hit run. Now I just trim the pacing where a scene drags and I put some auto-generated captions on. Here's the finished cut. Scene 1 through 4 are solid. The character's consistent, the world feels like one continuous shot. That fix in scene 3, you'd never guess that was a redo. Now this is a I want to post this kind of video. Not a I guess I could post this kind of video. So, 2 passes on one scene, a few trims, that's it. It's not magic, it's a workflow. From blank project to finished video in under an hour. If you were to do this manually, prompting every single scene solo with no editing layer, you'd still be stuck on clip 20 trying to fix a face. Now before you go try this yourself, let me give you 3 tips. 1. Describe your character identically every time. So don't write woman wearing red jacket and then 3 scenes later write woman wearing red. Use the same words every time. 2. Don't try 10 minutes of video on attempt 1. Start at 60 to 90 seconds, prove your script works, and then scale it up. 3. Tidy up inside VEED. I know it's tempting to just pull the file the second something looks off. Don't do that. The second you export and re-import, you can't regenerate individual scenes anymore. So try doing the small fixes inside VEED. That's the whole workflow. Script it, generate it in sequence, finish it in the same place. I recommend starting with 5 to 8 scenes when applying this workflow. That'll get you a finished, ready to post long AI video on your first try. Try VEED today with the link below.